Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily fix the send 6 things that remote has not responded on PC. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is what I recommend is like disabling VPN if you have some, and try to change the server in game. That's the first thing. The second thing is definitely check when you're gonna be, let me show you, in Task Manager and in Performance and Open Resource Monitor, and check the network if you're using something. Also try to like disable it if you like a Chrome, etc. that is like using your internet. And these things are it. So these are the things that you can solve the problem. And if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.